Barb, you're a shareholder in Salesforce, and I know Scott was saying time to be defensive in equities, in fixed income. But I mean, when you got numbers like this from Salesforce, if this were the regular trading day, this would be new 52-week highs. How does that make you feel, not just about Salesforce, but also about the Dow?
Makes me feel pretty good. I mean, if you've been looking at the action in all the big tech growers, and whether you saw, Palo Alto recover, you saw the stock market action today, Microsoft, all these names, and I think Salesforce, it's been a question because their whole thing has been the last year or two restructuring, really focusing on profitability, which is still below their peer group. And they've had a little decel in revenue growth, but they have huge potential going down. So their going forward. So their guidance is very important. They have not even begun to tap in the AI opportunity. And some would argue they're a little bit behind there, but there's huge potential in so many ways for them, not just cross-selling into their existing base, but also in new business. So we also have to see their guidance on what they see with their customers.
Okay, I also want to mention Pure Storage numbers are out. We'll bring those to you in just a moment. That stock is moving down about 9.5% at the moment. Can we do those now? Okay, we'll bring those to you in just a moment. Scott, you're the one who is a little more defensive here. What's the impact, you think, of these CRM numbers on the broader market?
Well, John, I think you have to look beyond, earnings season is what happened before, and we're trying to look ahead. And, today's the Beige Book today, I mean, I think it just showed exactly what we've been thinking. And if I could look at my list, consumers are pulling back. They're more price sensitive. The labor market's easing. Credit's tougher to get. Delinquencies are rising. Inflation's moderating. That's good. Pricing power is waning. I mean, I think all of those things suggests we're going to see a slowdown here, and it may, we're looking for even possibly a moderate recession as we move through the year. So I think there's some headwinds out there. I think it's not all clear. I think I can say with quite a bit of certainty if this core inflation hangs up in this 3.5% to 4% range, I mean, the Fed might watch it for a few months, but if it's hung up there, they're going to raise rates again. I mean, they're not going to put up with 3.5% to 4% core inflation. So is it going to move down over the course of the next year? We think it will, but it could hang up there for a lot longer than some people think.